Guys, it is getting more and more difficult to get excited about a smartphone. They all have great features, they all have a great camera, they all are very powerful and fast. But my friends at AT&T loaned me the Galaxy S9 from Samsung, and they told me this is something to pay attention to and I should give it a shot. iPhone fans, this is what a beautifully designed smartphone looks like. Compare it to the iPhone X. There's no notch covering part of the screen, which drapes over the edges. The result is a much more pleasing display for videos. Improved speakers mean you don't necessarily have to wear earbuds to hear everything. Sure, it's faster. All new phones are better than previous versions. The Galaxy S9 improves in the one area that matters, the camera. It's the first smartphone camera with 2 apertures, which drastically improves photos shot in low or imperfect light.
1, 2, 3.
Fitness coaches and bloggers Kim and Kaylee helped me try them out. In low light with a window behind them, the S9 snapped an almost perfectly lit photo. The 2 lenses also captured 2 photos, one in widescreen and another close up. The S9 also creates personalized emoji. Position your face in a circle and your image is captured and then turned into an animation you can use in messages or social media.
Bless her heart.
Though neither Kim nor Kaylee thought it was all that accurate. And I don't know any phone that can take 20 years off of me, even in an emoji. Yeah, I kind of like it. And I like this Samsung Galaxy S9. It's one of the best Android devices I've tried. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.